Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be teaching you how you can crochet this super beautiful and cute tiny heart. And as always, I will try to make sure that this tutorial is as beginner friendly as possible, so I will be explaining everything in as much detail as I can. But now let's jump into it. In terms of materials, I will be using 4-ply cotton yarn and a 3.5mm crochet hook, but otherwise you are welcome to use whatever materials you wish. To get started, we will first how to do a magic ring, and for that I grab my yarn like this, then I tie it around my fingers like this to create a cross shape here, and then I take my crochet hook and go underneath this first piece of yarn and then grab the second piece and pull it through like this. And in this way we have kind of created a magic ring, but we first just have to chain two. So I'm just pulling yarn and pulling it through this loop on my hook once, and then also the second time like this. And now I can remove my fingers, and here I have created this magic ring as well as 2 chains. And now we can proceed further with doing all the stitches. And in the very beginning we will have to do 3 treble crochets, and for that we have to yarn over twice like this, then go through this magic ring and grab yarn like that, and then pull it up to have 4 loops on our hook, and then yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over again and pull through the next 2, and then yarn over for the last time and pull through the remaining 2 like this. So this is 1 treble crochet, and then we just have to do it for 2 more times. So again, yarning over twice, going through the magic ring, grabbing yarn and pulling up to have 4 loops, and then yarning over and pulling through pairs of 2. So once, the second time, and then also the third time like this. So this is 2 treble crochets, and now I'm just doing the last one or the third one also in the same exact way like this. So here I have done 3 treble crochets, and then right after that we just have to do 3 double crochets, and for that we have to yarn over once, then go through this magic ring, then grab yarn and pull it up to have 3 loops on our hook, and then yarn over and pull through 2 like this, yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 like that. So this is 1 double crochet, and now we just have to do 2 more, so we have 3 in total. So again, following the same process. So here I have 2 double crochets, and then for the third one, again yarning over, going through the magic ring, grabbing yarn and pulling up to have 3 loops on our hook, then yarning over and pulling through 2, yarning over again and pulling through 2 like this. So here we have basically done half of our heart, and now we have reached this bottom point, and for that we again have to do 1 treble crochet. So yarning over twice, then going through the magic ring, grabbing yarn and pulling it up to have 4 loops, yarning over and pulling through 2, yarning over and pulling through 2, yarning over and pulling through the remaining 2 like this. So now half of our heart is done, and we have also done this middle point. So now we basically just have to do the same thing also on the other side. And now we basically will just repeat all the stitches that we did here, and again everything will be done here inside the magic ring. And also what I didn't note before is that all the stitches that we are doing inside this magic ring have to be done over both of these pieces of yarn that we have here. So in case if you're noticing that you are running short of this second piece, you can just pull it, and it will kind of also tighten this ring inside here. But now that this is done, we are just continuing further with the stitches, and first we are doing 3 double crochets. So again, the same process as before. So this is 1, then I'm also doing the second one like this, and then also the third double crochet like that. So this is how it's looking so far. And then once that's done, we again have to do 3 treble crochets inside the same magic ring. So yarning over twice and performing the treble crochet stitch in the same way as we did before. So this is 1, then also doing the second one in the same way as before, and then finally also the third one. So here I'm just completing this third treble crochet stitch, and this is how it's looking right now. And then once that's done, we just have to do 2 chains, basically what we also did here in the very beginning. So I'm just chaining 2, so 1 and 2 like this. And then before we finalize, we also have to do 1 slip stitch here inside this same magic ring. So I'm going through here, then grabbing yarn and pulling it up, and then pulling it through the loop that I already had on my hook like this. So now we are technically almost done, but the last step before we finalize is that we have to tighten this magic ring. And for that, here we have this loose end from the very start, and we are basically just grabbing it and pulling. And as we are pulling it, you can see that this circle in the middle of this heart is closing, and we are also establishing like a proper heart shape, which is what we were going for, like this. And now to finalize, we basically just have to chain 1 like this. Then we are making this loop a little bit longer and grabbing our scissors and cutting off yarn here like that. And then as it's cut off, we can also tighten this loose end like this to make sure that nothing is loose or will untie like that. But now basically this heart is done, and if you wish, you can also tighten this magic ring even further to make sure that it is super tight and you don't get like a wonky hole here in the middle. But otherwise our tiny heart now is finalized, and the very last step for us would be to weave in both of these loose ends that we have here. And for that, normally I just use my crochet hook, and from the back side I just go through the stitches here on the side or in the back and just go through them, grab these loose ends and weave them through the stitches that we have here. So just make sure to do that with any of the loose ends that you might have. And now here our heart is finalized, and both of the loose ends are weaved in here in the back side, and this is how it looks from the back. And that is basically it. So feel free to use this pattern to create loads of different colorful hearts, and you can connect them together or simply use them as accessories or pins. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial and learned something new, and if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, and I will see you later.